welcome, hello everyone. We are here again with our friend Marcus for our day 8.
Hi guys. Hi Marco,
Marcus,
welcome back.
thank you very much. I love it here.
Thank you
for inviting me again. And so what are we cooking today?
Okay, so I've got some of this chicory, red chicory. It's wonderful seasonal produce, so this time of year it's perfect. Needs a frost to get it, get the sweetness out from it, and I think cooking it in a wood-fired oven you get even more sweetness from a bit of char. So I'm going to cook red chicory. I've got a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. I'm going to pop that in, then get a bit of char going, then I'm going to drizzle it with some honey and then a little bit of blue cheese on top.
Fantastic,
yeah.
Fantastic.
Let's pop it in. So this is a nice hot oven. It's about 250, 300. There's some embers in the back and there's one piece of wood just burning.
How long the chicken inside?
20 minutes.
About 20 minutes,
Yeah,
huh?
you're looking for it to soften up and to caramelise, to char off a little bit on the edges. You want these edges a little bit charred.
Ah,
so
nice.
let's pop it in.
And off we go, huh?
Off we go. Simple food.
Okay. So we are.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Beautiful.
Caramelised up nicely there. You can see the
Softening. Yeah?
softened. Yeah. So it's good. So we need a little bit of honey for a bit of sweetness now.
Lovely.
It's going to have its own sweetness, but it's very cold honey.
It's cold, huh?
It's very cold honey. There we go. Just a little bit. You can warm the honey up in the oven. There we go. Just a little
Here
bit.
we are.
There we go. I hate it when my honey isn't runny. There we go. Just a little bit. And then I've got some crushed walnuts here. Just a couple of pinches of those. Just they're going to toast up on top.
Lovely. Lovely.
So a nice sort of autumnal winter food this is.
Brilliant.
I love walnuts.
This is very nice. I see in the evening with a glass of red wine.
Yes.
Good movie on.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful snack, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
You can put a side dish of your food, but it can be just like an evening snack, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Lovely.
And some of that lovely Italian blue cheese there, just to melt on top.
Very nice. And how long inside now?
Another 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we just want the cheese to melt and the walnuts to caramelise and crisp up a little bit. We'll just pop it back in.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Can't wait to taste this. Huh?
Good. I love chicory. It's wonderful.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Okay, so let's have a quick look. It's almost there. The cheese is melting. Lovely caramelisation. I think just a few minutes more and we're almost there.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Getting out. So nice charred edges. You can smell the cheese is melted.
Amazing.
Walnuts have toasted.
Amazing.
Very hot.
Yes, wait 2 minutes and then we dig in, huh?
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yeah, I always want to dive in straight away, but it's it comes out 300 degrees. It's going to be hot, isn't it? So wait, relax, have a glass of wine. Let's.
That is difficult. I know I'm not patient as well, but I do all the time, even with the pizza.
The cast iron keeps this nice and hot as well for a little bit.
Oh,
so.
fantastic. It looks amazing.
Get it nicely caramelised. That's really important, and so it almost collapses on itself. But yeah, let's. You've waited enough.
Yes.
Let's have a taste. So I think.
Yes.
Take a knife.
Fantastic. That's it. After you, Marcus.
There we go. Just like that.
Ooh,
a piece like
look
that.
at that. It's amazing.
See the walnuts just caramelised, and it's nice and soft. Get a nice crispy bit like that. That's what you want. I'll let you taste first.
It looks amazing.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing, and walnut as well, eh?
Yeah.
The crunch.
Yeah.
But the chicory, the flavour.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Fantastic.
Just the honey just lifts it. It gets the sweetness itself, but the honey just lifts it, and the blue cheese and the walnut just adds a depth of flavour and something else to it. A bit of crunch is important, getting that texture right. But my favourite bit's that lovely,
the charred.
lovely crispy charred bit. I'm going to have another bit.
It's amazing. Now we're going to finish everything, And I want to thank you, Marcus, for
Absolute
inviting
pleasure.
me. Yeah? Thank you so much.
Absolute pleasure.
And we will see you in the new year,
Yep,
maybe.
Absolutely. Thank
Fantastic. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Ciao.
you. Merry Christmas. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye bye.
Bye.